Hey guys, welcome to Dental Mate. Today we'll be talking about the defense cells present in the pulp. Let's get started. So the defense cells present in the pulp are all the usual cells of the defense system of the body. They help us against the protection. They help us protect against various infections. Okay. What are the defense cells? Like macrophages, dendritic cells, mast cells, plasma cells, eosinophil, basophil, lymphocytes, monocytes, etc. First up is the macrophages or histiocytes. So these are the irregularly shaped branched cells with short, blunt, multiple processes and short, round nuclei. Okay, their vital stain is trypan blue. They are normally associated with blood cells or blood vessels, and they engulf the foreign body and bacteria. So via engulfing the foreign body and bacteria, they are removing the debris, bacteria and dead cells. They amplify the signals by releasing cytokines and growth factors. Next up are the dendritic cells. They are similar in function to the Langerhans cells that are the antigen presenting cells. They are mainly associated with the odontoblast layer, and they proliferate in carious teeth. That is their immune surveillance. Next are the lymphocytes. So the lymphocytes could be B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes aid in the production of antibody, whereas in T lymphocytes, the TH or the T helper cells, they help to identify the foreign body. TK or the T killer cells, that is cytotoxic T cells, they destroy the foreign bodies. Suppressor T cells suppress the immunity, and the memory T cell help to maintain a memory of the previous attack. Along with that, in non-pathologic state, the T lymphocytes are found throughout the pulp, but B lymphocytes are rare. Next are the eosinophils. These are the bilobed cells present in the pulp. They have coarse eosinophilic granules inside the cell cytoplasm, and they are produced in response to any allergy. Next are mast cells. These are seen along the vessels of inflamed pulp. They produce histamine, which is an anti-allergic. Next are plasma cells. Plasma cells are present in the pulp, especially during inflammatory process. They have an eccentric nucleus and a cartwheel nucleus appearance. Next is the neutrophil, which is the cell of acute pulpal inflammation. Last up are the basophils. These cells are also present in the inflamed pulp. This is it about the defense cells present in the pulp. Stay tuned, keep visiting. Thank you.